Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most exciting and mysterious technologies of our time, artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll cover what AI is, how it works, and the impact it's having on our world. You may have already heard of AI, or maybe you've used it without realizing it. AI is a technology that allows machines to learn from experience and perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as recognizing faces or understanding spoken language. So, how does it work? AI algorithms use large amounts of data to learn patterns and make predictions. For example, an AI system that recognizes faces might analyze thousands of images to learn what a face looks like from different angles and lighting conditions. There are many different types of AI, from simple rule-based systems to advanced machine learning algorithms that can learn on their own. Some examples of AI technology you may be familiar with include virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa, self-driving cars, and personalized recommendations on streaming services. The benefits of AI are many. AI can help us solve complex problems, automate tedious tasks, and improve the efficiency of many industries. For example, AI is being used to improve medical diagnosis, optimize energy consumption, and predict natural disasters. But with great power comes great responsibility. AI also poses significant ethical and societal challenges. For example, there are concerns about AI taking over jobs, perpetuating bias, and invading our privacy. Despite these challenges, the future of AI is exciting. As AI continues to advance, it has the potential to transform our world in ways we can't even imagine yet. We may see AI-powered robots working alongside humans in factories, self-driving cars on every road, and personalized medical treatments based on our DNA. So there you have it. AI is a powerful tool that has the potential to transform many aspects of our lives. While there are certainly some concerns about the impact of AI, it's clear that there are many benefits to continued development and research in this field. I hope you learned something new about AI and its impact on our world. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.